So do you got parking out here?
There's the front, and then there's a couple spots where you park.
Can we park like 3 cars, 2 cars?
2 to 3 over there.
Okay. This one's 13?
Yep.
I text you so everything was cool. Like it's a little detailing. We're not doing no major mechanic. We're not doing any of that. I don't need a lift. I don't need any of that stuff. Hey son, what you think? I'm cool. I mean, that's 2,600, 13. How long have this one been just available? How long have this one been available?
Just like 3 weeks.
Is anybody else looking at it right now?
Yeah, I have applications out there.
Oh.
I showed it on Tuesday, and there's somebody that wants to look at it on Tuesday morning at 9.
Hey, what you think? Yeah, but he said he got some applicants, man, so ain't nothing